how to log in to Wise. So basically, if you want to log into Wise, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do for this is you want to simply go ahead and then actually open up the Wise application right here. Once you launch the Wise app and then you want to log into your account, first of all, if you don't have an account, you can just tap on get started and you can tap the register button, or you can also sign in with Apple ID if your account is linked with your Apple ID. But if you have an independent Wise account, then you can just tap the login button and just make sure to enter your email address right here. And after you enter the email, go ahead and then enter your password as well. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the I icon to view the password. You can also choose to log in with your Apple ID, as I said earlier, your Facebook, and also your Google account if you're linked with those. Now, in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the trouble logging in button and you'll be also able to reset your Wise account password. This way you'll be able to reset and log into your Wise account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.